I've been working along on Vendon 5.0 recently, and this is just kind of a little build I've compiled. So I'll log in now. So when you boot up, you get that new startup sound, which I added recently. You also get this message here. We have noticed suspicious activity recently, and we want to make sure this is a legitimate copy of Vendon 5.0. Please enter your 10-digit code in the box below. To find your 10-digit code, go to About Vendon, or About 5.0 in this case, then you will see that 10-digit code in there. Type that in the box below, and that will determine if this version is legitimate or not. So we need to type this code in right here, which you guys can't see because I need to blur because it's unique to every single build. So I have to type in 1, and that's it. Okay, so now we're logged in when it goes like that. If it didn't work, it would come up with a red box with a warning on it, which I will show on the screen right now. And anyways, going in order here, starting with developer tools, it does not do anything, even though it's developer tools. It doesn't do anything in this build. About 5.0 we already went into. The calendar, not much. You can just look through your calendar. I'll be able to make it so that you can, oops, that's weird. Okay, that's a bug we'll have to fix. I'm going to write that bug down. So that's a bug I just discovered. Alright, the clock just shows the time. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward and simple. Customization. Now, this right here does some pretty interesting stuff. Now, if you noticed, when I close and open customization, look down here. That opens, that closes. Opens, closes. If I keep appearing and closing, because this is going to be a concept where you can minimize and stuff with applications. Anyways, background we can change, so let's put it to that. Menu name will change from applications. Let's put it to start. Just like Windows. There we go. So start. Now we'll go to file opener, and we're gonna go open one of my random files I have. We will open, let's see, version 3.1.12. That's wrong. 5.0.1835 is the actual one. Yep. Alright. So, Media Center does not do anything, so I will be most likely taking that out. Settings. There's nothing currently. I'm going to add some stuff in here soon, but currently there's nothing. Web browser, simple stuff. But I don't even think it works anymore, because I'm pretty sure if you go youtube.com, go to YouTube, get a blank page right here. So I'll have to see why that happens. That browser is no longer supported. I want to know what browser this is. Let's see. Oh, Internet Explorer. That's dumb. I'm gonna see if I can get it to have a different browser instead. Let me at least try and see if I can. What should I go to? Let's go to. Let's blur that. Doesn't have JavaScript. Alright, whatever. Vendon net. Yes, I do realize I skipped some, but I'll go back to them because they're the cooler ones. Vendon's our program, which is automatically installed with beta versions like this. Now, it references 3.0, which is ridiculous. So, I haven't updated that. But let's get to the cool part of this. Skinning. When I click that, this is where it gets fun. So, you have your skinning application right here, which you'll use. So if you click one of these, let's click the title bar image, you get this title bar color / image picker, which it shows you what you currently have, and you can change these so that you can have a different color. So if I do this, now it's red, now it's yellow, now it's completely white. Let's make it, let's see, what do I want? Let's make it green. So now it says right here, click to set. So when you click this button, it sets it. And it also changes up here. So if that's all you want for the title bar image, you can move on to the close button, which also shows what it has. So you can drag it. So let's say instead we want a more cyan close button for some reason. There you go. It does it with all applications, not just ones that are open. Like for example, when we go to customization, that was open there. Let's go to the web browser too. Web browser does it. Let's go to an application we haven't even opened. What is an application we haven't even opened? I don't know, but you get it. All of them do this same kind of thing. Even the clock does it. Now, you can also reset the skin, which it even gives you a warning here. Warning, resetting is irreversible. So when you click it, it sets everything back to normal, like default. And yeah, that's really about it. I mean, the only other thing is, to get into developer mode, all you have to do is, in this beta version at least, if you have it, go to restart, and then restart in developer mode will be there. But if it isn't a beta version, like a public version instead, you will not see this right here. So yeah, that is it for Vendon 5.0, build 1835, which is beta 2.1.